How many times do you disinfect your pig pen? Or let me say, how many times in a day do you clean your pig pen? Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, I want to tell you how I disinfect my own pig pen, and you're going to be seeing it on the screen the way I did my own. And also for the cleaning, I clean twice a day. I clean in the morning and also in the afternoon. Yeah, because I feed them twice, both in the morning and also in the afternoon. But if you are not chanced to feed your pigs 2 times a day, you can actually do the cleaning maybe once and just leave it like that. But the most paramount of it is that you have to disinfect your pig pen, because as time goes on, the wetness of the walls and even of the floor we harbor some germs, some bacteria, and even viruses. Yeah, so the best way out of that is just to disinfect, and most of the time it's advisable you disinfect maybe 2 times in a week. But some of us are lazy, like myself. I am lazy. I only do it once in a while. Yeah, I do it once in a while because I'm able to practice some other attributes, such as ensuring the place is clean. But notwithstanding, that is not a replacement for you. That is not a replacement for you cleaning or disinfecting your pen. Yeah, just take a look at the way I did my own. I used IPO. I used IPO 6 sachet of 75 ml in a 15-liter knapsack sprayer, and I mixed it together. Then I began spraying. I sprayed the animals as well, and I also sprayed the floors and the nooks and crannies of their style. I hope you understand. So that is how I did it. Just take a good look at the way I'm doing it. Yeah, so once you're able to do that, your pigs will be fine. Yeah, that is what I want to share with you. Subscribe if you have not subscribed to my channel. Bye for now.